Next, let's work on creating anonymous functions with several input arguments. In this case, the input argument list is just a comma-separated list of the input arguments. So this general description of creating an anonymous function becomes, in detail, something like this for a 2-argument anonymous function. And here is an example of a 4-argument anonymous function. As before, the return argument is a handle to the newly created anonymous function. Here's a concrete example. We'll use a variable r and create an anonymous function which has 2 input arguments. The value returned by the anonymous function is a 2x2 array shown here, involving the input arguments as well as this defined variable r. This expression both creates the anonymous function and returns a handle to the function. The anonymous function is evaluated by passing it 2 input arguments. Any less or any more will create an error. Let's try this in Matlab. First, create the scalar variable r, and then the anonymous function. This is a 2-argument anonymous function returning a 2x2 array. Evaluate this by passing it 2 input arguments. That's correct. 5.71 times sine pi over 10 matches. Cosine of pi over 3 is a half. And finally, sine of pi over 10 is the 2-2 entry. As the anonymous function has 2 input arguments, calling it with 1 or 3 results in an error. Not enough input arguments or too many input arguments.